Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about worst to best hair care products for curly hair on Nykaa that I've found. Okay, so we'll go from worst according to me, because if you have hair which is extremely curly or extremely dry, or there's nothing going to happen with it now, please don't use this because it's not going to absorb at all. I've used this. I had to use now because I literally paid for it. It was how much I don't remember. I think 600, and it really did not solve much of it. If your hairs are very dry, this is not the one for you. If it is silky, smooth, a little bit minimum of damage, then this is great. Then this keratin oil and the whole brand of it, OGX, which is like clean beauty, they say. I've tried everything from this to this. Coconut was fine, but overall, if you have extremely dry hair and very fragile hair and hair like what happens after the heat, if you use it everyday basis, I don't think this is going to suit you at all. And this I feel it's really not going to work if you have really frizzy hair. It's not. I don't know. It is bestseller on Nykaa, but if you have really extremely dry hair, it's not going to work out. However, OGX coconut will work a bit, not giving you extreme smooth results, but yeah. This is also another conditioner which really did not work because I have extremely rough hair. I had given my mother. She said it's nice because she has silky straight hair. So I think it is okay if you have good hair already. This is going to be okay for you. But if you have really damaged hair, no. This is the holy grail, guys. I love this. I've used so many. But this is like the best one which I loved. Mask, nourishing mask. I think this is 500 or 600, and it is crazy good. So if you have damaged rough hair, this is it. Go for it. And this mousse from Dove is a game changer, guys. This is so good. It keeps your curls intact, doesn't look frizzy. So yeah, this one is okay but not great. So if you like this, share, subscribe, and let me know what you want to watch next.